Alright, so now let's start with a new project. Okay, click the new project, and while it's loading, it's going to show you the template. Okay, so we're starting from the scratch, and you can set the size that you want. Okay, so once you finish that setting, then let's create our project. Okay, click that one, and there you go. Here is your canvas. Okay, hold on, make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Alright, so here is your timeline, and then we're going to add first our background. Alright, so you can choose the background that you want for your text. So for here, I'm going to show you how to create a text using photo. And then I think the same procedure when you want to use it for video, but I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to choose this flower. And hold on. Okay, so it's on inside our canvas, and then we're going to click the text and put the text, whatever text you want. So I'm just gonna stretch this one a little bit so you can see, and type the text that you want. Okay, I'm gonna type Creation Studio. Alright, so now I'm going to stretch this one a little bit bigger. Oops, okay, I'm gonna put it back. Okay, I'm gonna stretch this one a little bit bigger. So it's all up to you guys. You can play with it, the size that you want. You just wanna put it in the middle so I can get the colors of the flower. There you go. And then you can always resize it, and then you can change the font. If whatever font you want, you just click the font and then change the font of your text. So, okay, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to resize it a little bit smaller. You can also change the color of the text. So I'm going to change this to white so I can see more the color of the flower when I put inside of the text. Okay, so after you finish setting up with this one, what you're going to do is to, select all of this and right click, and you will see add the mask. Okay, click that one, and there you go. Voila. So the flowers are inside of your text, right? So that's it. And then you can change the color of the background, just play with it so you can see the mask of the flower inside of your text. There you go. All right, so next let's make a video, okay? We're going to put the video inside of your text. In this one, we use the photo, and the video is the same, same setup. All you're gonna do is just to create or choose the video that you want. Okay, you can go to Pixabay, Pixels, and then click that camera. So it will give you a lot of videos that you want. Like, for example, I choose the lion. There you go. The lion is moving. So once you put this inside of your text, all the lion images inside of your text are moving. So I'm just showing you guys. So let's choose another one. All right, I'm gonna choose this nature. The water is, moving around. See that? So beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, download it, and then once it finished the download, and then you can just drag it into your canvas. There you go. And same procedure as we did in our photo. Just click the text and write whatever text you want to. All right, so I'm gonna change this font. I think this is better. Okay, I'm just make it a little bit bigger so that you can see. All right, so now I'm gonna type like same as we did in our photo image. Okay, Creation Studio. It is a little bit bigger, so you can just resize it because it depends on the fonts that you're using. But you can resize this one as as small as you want, as big as you want. It's all up to you. And you can change the fonts also if you don't like it. Alright, so now since we have our text here, you can just select all of that again, and same as what we did in the photo. See that? You just copy all of them, group them, and then click the mouse, and you can change the background if you want to. There you go. Whatever background you want, You can also make it tiles. So go to settings and scroll down and click the tiles. And once you click that, you just turn it off, on, and there you go. Now you have a tiles for your text.